Fraud. Auditor responsibility for fraud. What are the synonyms of fraud? First is fraud, earning management, creative accounting, massaging the figures, material misstatement, fraudulent financial reporting. Now, what is fraud or what is earning management? Fraudulent financial reporting is a deliberate misstatement in the financial statement. It is a deliberate misstatement in the financial statement. It can include the deliberate falsification of the underlying accounting records, intentionally breaching an accounting standard, or knowingly omitting the transaction or required disclosure in the financial statement. So it's a deliberate falsification. It's a deliberate falsification of accounting record, breach of accounting standard, and omitting a transaction or a disclosure. For example, deliberately not disclosing a contingent liability or a significant going concern problem in the notes to the financial statement means that the disclosures required under IAS 37 and IAS 1 respectively have intentionally been not made. Into this earning management, IAS 240 states that incentive or pressure to commit a fraudulent financial reporting may exist when management is under the pressure from the sources inside or outside the entity to achieve an expected and perhaps unrealistic earning targets or financial outcome, since consequences to management for failing to reach financial goals can be significant. So there will be an incentive or a pressure to commit the fraudulent financial reporting, which can exist on management. When management under pressure, it can come from inside or outside. For example, to achieve expected or unrealistic earning targets, financial outcome, or management is failing to receive a certain goal. It can therefore be seen that in times of financial difficulty such as current economic downturn, management may feel pressurized into non-disclosures of items that may detract the company's performance during the year into the use of accounting policy, which will produce deliberately misstated result for the financial statement. So in times of a financial difficulty, management may feel pressurized to misstate the financial statement. Now, how should an auditor respond to the earning management of fraud? Means, what are the actions in relation to the fraud? First is use of professional skepticism. Second is discussion among the engagement team. Usually the areas of fraud are discussed during the partner will had this discussion between the engagement team, that what are the risky areas during the planning stage, and if the fraud is identified, now they are going to deal with it. The third is evaluation of accounting policies. We have to look for whether there is a correct application and compliance with IAS and IFRS. Fourth is the completeness of disclosures, means disclosures are complete, mitigating the omission risk. And fifth is communication with those charged with government, means board of directors and the audit committee, and the audit report. Our audit report is a source where we can disclose to the shareholder that a fraud is being committed, and other reporting requirements. This is the other reporting requirement. Maybe we have to inform to the public or to the regulator. So what are the actions of auditor in case of an earning management? So if you consider all these actions, these should be considered in line. Firstly, you will consider the professional skepticism. Use the professional skepticism. Now discuss among the engagement team. Now evaluate the accounting policy. Is the accounting policy is applied right, or is a breach of accounting policy or IAS or IFRS? Now look for the completeness of disclosures. The next is communicating within the company, that is board of directors, those charged with government. The next step is to report to the shareholder. This will be done through audit report, and in the last resort, if there is other reporting requirement like to the public, to the regulator, or to the other third party, if you have any obligation. So these are the steps that need to be considered in order in case of earning management. There need to be few terms that need to be made clear, that is misstatement, fraud, error. First is misstatement. Misstatement is a difference between misstatement is a difference between the reported amount, classification, presentation or disclosure of a financial statement item and the amount, the classification, presentation or disclosure that is required for the item to be in accordance with the applicable financial reporting framework. So misstatement is a difference between the amount or the thing reported and what in reality in accordance with the applicable financial reporting framework that should be reported. So this is the misstatement. Statement can be intentional or unintentional. Now the next is fraud. Fraud is an intentional act involving the use of deception to obtain an unjust or illegal advantage. It may be perpetrated that one or more individual among the management, employee or third parties. There are two categories of fraud that are of concern to the order, that is fraudulent financial reporting, and the second is misappropriation of assets. And what is error? Error can be identified as an unintentional misstatement in the financial statement, including the omission of an amount or disclosure such that errors are normally corrected by clients when they are identified. If a material error has been identified but has not been corrected, it will require audit opinion to be modified. Primary responsibility for the prevention, detection of fraud rests with both those charged with governance of an entity and with the management. Auditor provide only reasonable assurance that financial statements are free from material misstatement, whether caused by fraud or error.